So, we have here the pronouns ka, ikaw, and mo. I'll explain why we cannot interchange the ka into ikaw, okay, in some cases. So, here, ikaw ang guro. You are the teacher. So, you cannot say ka ang guro. Okay, noun. This ikaw refers to this person. Same thing here. Ikaw ang kapitbahay ni Jim. Okay, you cannot say ka ang kapitbahay ni Jim. With the adjective, you can say ikaw ay mabait. Okay, you cannot say ka ay mabait. Okay, another, ikaw si, okay, personal name. Ikaw si Aubrey, ka si Aubrey, wrong. Ikaw ba ay Pinay, ka ba ay Pinay, okay, that's wrong. Another, with the ikaw and ka, not mo. So you can here you cannot use the word mo here. This is the simple future tense, and we simply double the first syllable of the verb. Kakain ka ba? Kakain ba ikaw? Are you going to eat? Will you eat? Okay. Pupunta ka ba? Pupunta ba ikaw? Are you coming? Are you going? Okay. So, either in these two patterns, you cannot use the mo here. Tatawag ka ba? Tatawag ba ikaw? Okay, are you calling or will you call? Will you call? Are you going to call? Kakanta ka ba? Okay, will you sing or are you going to sing? Okay, same translation in English. Kakanta ba ikaw? Okay. Here, with the ka, ikaw, and mo, with a few WH questions, Tagalog. So, ano ka? Ano ikaw? So, what you? That's the literal translation. So, when you say, ano ka? When you hear this someone say, it means, oh, what you? She could be irritated of what were your reaction or what did you say? And so, she simply burst this, ano ka? Ano ikaw? She disagree. Okay, so with the ano mo, this is unfinished question. It should be ano mo relationship. Ano mo si Jim? So it could be a father, pwede tatay, can be kaibigan, bisita. Okay, so saan ka? You can say that. Saan ikaw? So it means where are you? So that's correct. But when you say saan mo, you cannot say that there. It should be that is an unfinished question. It should be, saan mo binili ang ibon? Where did you buy the bird? So you notice we have this mo as possessive form now in this question, and we have the in word for the word binili. So it applies the rule here that if you're using the in word in affix, it should be possessive form. Okay. Kailan ka or ikaw pupunta sa Palawan? So, you can say, kailan ka pupunta sa Palawan? Kailan ikaw pupunta sa Palawan? The word kailan here, from the original word kailan. Okay, now we are using the word kailan. When? When are you going to Palawan? So, we have here simple future tense, and so we use the word sa for the place. Here, kailan mo pupuntahan ang Palawan? Okay, the mo, and we have here kabilaan, double affixes. So we have here, we double the first word, and we still add another affix at the end of the word punta, and we use the ang here. So different words, okay, different pronoun. Bakit ka ikaw tumatawa? Why are you laughing? So you can say bakit ka tumatawa, which is common. We commonly say that instead of saying bakit ikaw tumatawa. That's somewhat formal. Bakit mo tinatawanan si Jim? Why are you laughing at Jim? So here, okay, mo, and then the in, and then plus the suffix. Okay, so if you watch the previous video, you will know or you knew already why or the difference of these two sentences. Next, we have ka, okay, ikaw and mo. So you are talking to that person, you say ninong ka, you are a godfather. Ninong ikaw, that's right. Ninong mo, your godfather. So now this is possessive form. Here, this is person. Now we have object or thing. So tubig ka or ikaw, you are water. So this is wrong. You cannot say that. You say tubig mo, your water. So that's right, possessive form. Now we have this thing. Trabaho ka, you work. You're saying to someone, you work. It's a command or order. So trabaho ka. It could be, okay, this one, trabaho ikaw, which is wrong. You are work. Of course, it's wrong because it's a person, or you are a person, not a work. Okay? Trabaho mo, your work. Okay, so it depends. What do you mean? What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say you work? It's a command. Or are you trying to say your work? Okay, so trabaho mo, trabaho ka. Abala ka ba? Are you busy? Abala ba ikaw? Are you busy? Okay, same thing. You cannot say abala mo. It's wrong. Kain ka. You can also say kain ikaw, you eat. Okay, it's wrong to say kain mo. Filipinos are part of their attitude or tradition is to invite someone, okay, to eat with them, okay, when they are eating or drinking something. Okay, so happy learning.